Hello everyone, welcome to the first video of Google Analytics tutorial. Before getting started, let me brief you about what Analytics actually is. Google Analytics is a powerful reporting tool that shows you what your website's visitors are doing. It provides data on user behavior that might be actually useful for your company. You can use Google Analytics for various reasons, such as tracking the effect on your marketing efforts, measuring your website's performance, optimizing website pages to boost conversions, and much more. Before you begin studying user behavior, make sure your Google Analytics account is configured correctly. Otherwise, you might not be getting the most out of this useful platform. Now that you're well aware of the uses of Google Analytics, let's get started with the setting up of Google Analytics account. To begin with the account creation, you must own a Gmail business account. As you can see, I have already created a Gmail business account, with the help of which I will start creating a Google Analytics account. On the screen, you will see the interface of Google Analytics. I will click Start Measuring to get started. A new page titled Account Setup will appear on the screen. Here, you need to fill in your account name. I am entering Propel Guru. After that, you will see a few privacy policies of Google Analytics like Google products and services, benchmarking, technical support, and account specialists. Make sure that you are selecting all of them, and once done, click Next. Now comes another page, that is Property Setup. Here you have to include the property or website details. In the first section, add the name of your business or brand that you wish to track. Now, select the time zone, preferred currency, and click Next. After this, you will be asked to fill in the business information. Firstly, choose the industry type of your business. Here, I'll select Business and Industrial. After that, I'll choose the size of the company. Lastly, I need to choose the purpose of doing Google Analytics. So, for this, you can choose according to your requirements. Once done, click on Create. Now, you will have to agree and accept the terms and conditions that Google Analytics will provide. A new dialog box will open up on your screen, wherein you will be asked whether you want to stay connected with Google Analytics via email. You can select the options given and then click Save. Now, your account has been created. A new page will open up on your screen, wherein you will have to choose a platform for which you will be using Google Analytics. Three options will be provided to you, which are Web, Android app, and iOS app. So I will choose Web here. As you can see, a new dialog box will appear on the screen. In the Setup data stream, you are required to add your website URL and the stream name. Below the website URL and the stream name column, you can see a dialog box titled Enhanced Measurement. With this, you can track how people interact with your content. When you select these options for a web stream, your Google Analytics tag immediately begins transmitting events. And now, after filling in the above details, you can click Create Stream. Now another dialog box appears on the screen, that is Web Stream Details. So, as you can see here, your website URL, stream name, and measurement ID are displayed. The measurement ID is used to identify web data streams you have added to your Google Analytics. Now, on scrolling down, you will find tagging instructions. The first option that appears on there is Google Site Tags. It's a tagging framework and API for JavaScript that lets you transmit event data to Google Analytics, Google Ads, and Google Marketing Platform. You will find a code in Global Site Tags, which you have to insert in all your pages. After all these steps, click on Home, which your main page will look like. So, once you link your website with Google Analytics, your data will start showing up on the platform. Keep in mind that the data will only be visible to you from the day you have linked your Google Analytics with your website. So These were the steps with the help of which you can easily create your account in Google Analytics and track your website's performance. Stay tuned for more updates on Google Analytics and make the best out of your platform.